Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. So there are very few steps, so please watch the video till end. So I will go to my, you have to go to your Google Drive, and in the Google Drive you have to click on new and you click on Google Sheets. So this was the first step of clicking the Google Sheets. So now you have to click on file and you have to click on import. So here there are four options: my drive, shared with me, resend and upload. So you have to click on upload and click on browse files. Now you have to browse the file which you want to convert. So you have to click on the file and this will export in the Google Sheets. So now there are four options: create new spreadsheet, insert new sheets and replace spreadsheet. So I would recommend you to click on replace spreadsheets and click on import data. So data is being uh, imported. So like as you can see, the data has been uploaded. So this was the step of how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. So if you like my video, please subscribe and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.